morning, dear students. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then let us start, children. No need to waste the time. We don't have much time. Okay? Yes. Tell me what is the date today? The date is 28th. Okay, we are in October month. Year is 2021. Today it is Thursday. So you have English subject. So the thought for the day is success is a journey, not a destination. Okay? Yes. Then let us start, children. Please take out your workbook. Please take out your workbook, children. Yes, we have completed till where? Do you remember? Yes, till page number 69 we have been completed. Then next we have remember. Yes, page number 70. Yes, in previous class we learned about the parts of speech, meaning, synonym, right? Then tradition. Yes, I think I told I will send this pic, but I think I didn't send, right? So today I will be definitely sending this, okay, these pics. So you will complete that also, okay. Then now we have the words a, and, the are called articles. Yes, you all know very well which are the articles, right? Which are the articles, children? Articles a and the. These are the three articles, okay, we have in English subject, okay. A and an are called indefined articles. A and an. These are indefined articles. These are what it is called as indefined articles. Okay. Yes, children? Yes. Then these are used depending on the first sound of the word. Okay, first sound of the word. Example: H, O-N-O-U-R, honor. Okay, honor, ho. O is coming in the honor, correct? Vowel sound is coming. Then what you will use before this word? And. Vowel sound is coming, right? So and. Okay, getting, children? And like that. Then the first letter of the word consonant. The first letter, let it be an consonant. Then also the sound is vowel sound. So we should add and there. Okay. Then the article a is used before the word. Before the word also we are using a. Yes. This is all you learned in previous class, right, children? Yes. See, a consonant sound when it is the first letter of a word makes a consonant sound. The first letter of the word which will make a consonant sound, there we will use a. Okay, a is used before the word. Okay. The first letter of a word makes a vowel sound. When the first word of the letter which will make a vowel sound, the article an is used. The article which is used, an is used before it. I already told you, right? Yes, like that. A boy, a girl, an apple, an egg, like that. Okay. Remember, you should remember these points, children. I will read out, listen. Remember that the first sound and not the first letter should be considered. Example, it is an honor to meet you. Yes, honor, honor. The sound only you should see. You should not see whether that letter is an vowel or an consonant. Okay. Yes, then you can use an because O sound is coming, vowel sound. We say an honor even though the first letter is honor is H. Okay, which is a consonant. This is because while pronouncing this word, H is silent. H is silent. O is being coming out of when we are pronouncing, O is coming, right? And we pronounce the word as honor. Correct? So O is coming. So vowel sound is coming. The same goes for the words like uniform, unicorn, like that. Okay, for that also we use the article a before them. As the first sound is these words is wide, even though the letters first letters are vowel. When the first letter is vowel also, then also we are using a uniform, a unicorn, because that Y was the U sound is Y sound. That's right. Okay. Then next this is called the defined article. It is used is when it is the is called the defined article. The is called as defined article. Okay. See, refer to the particular noun or something that has already been talked about it. Refer to something that is only one kind of its kind. Refer the names of the river, mountain, sea and so on. For that we have to use the. Okay. Yes. Then the thief who stole the diamonds has not been caught. See. The thief who stole the diamonds has not been caught. The sun is shining brightly. The Alps are the highest mountain ranges in Europe. Okay, then next you fill in the blanks. With correct articles, one is done for you. Mohini is a doctor. They have given the dash, so answer is Okay, I was born on dash Wednesday. That is consonant sound only A. Okay, Paul eats dash egg every day. Correct. That is a vowel sound. So an. Dash sun rises in the east. The sun, the moon. Yes, the particular thing we should use the only for sun, moon and all. So the sun rises in the east. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple. Okay. Apple. It is a vowel sound. So an apple. I want dash red apple which is kept on the table. I want the red apple. The red apple. Because a particular thing is there. So definite article, right? The. Okay. Then next exercise 3.2. The articles a and the have been used incorrectly at 6 places in the paragraph given below. Correct the errors and rewrite the paragraph. One is done for you. See, long ago the man had a goose. It laid on golden eggs every day. A man would sell it and spend the money happily. But he became greedy. He wanted all the eggs at the same time. So he killed a goose, cut it open and looked for eggs. He searched for an hour, but there was no golden eggs inside. He was sad and angry with himself for his foolishness. So where and all you should use the correct articles. You have to use and rewrite this paragraph again. Really you should write this paragraph again, because somewhere they have missed or they have written incorrectly the articles. Okay, so you have to make it correct. I will not tell all the answers, children. Then everything I will only do then when you will learn. So I will give this as homework. Okay, you try to do. Then that next day I will explain in the next class. If there is a mistakes, then you can clear that mistakes. Okay, you will try. I am giving you a chance to do by yourself. That's why. Okay, so this paragraph where and all incorrect articles are there you should write the correct articles and rewrite the paragraph again. Are you getting, children? Yes, this is your homework. Okay, yes, please complete this. Okay, then next remember is there. So we will first we will read till here, then we will discuss the class. Okay, pronouncing the. Remember, okay, how you will pronounce, children? We pronounce the as the when the next word starts with a consonant sound. When the next word is starting with a consonant sound, that we are pronouncing the. Okay, we pronounce the as the. Is the also we are pronouncing. Some are telling the man is sitting, the man is running, like that. The also they are pronouncing. So the also correct, the also correct. Okay. The next word starts with vowel sound. Next word which is starting with vowel sound, there also we are using the. We are pronouncing the. Okay. See, look at the given examples. We will see. Look at the given examples here. Okay. We write the apple, the elephant, the ice cream, the orange, the umbrella. Here in vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. See, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, that only vowel sound. Then we pronounce the apple, the elephant, the ice cream, the orange, the umbrella. Like that we are pronouncing. Okay. Yes. Nothing but your homework. I told I will send the pic, right? I will send this pic today. Then you should copy this. After copying these two, then complete this and all which we have been completed today. Complete it and send it in the group for correction. Okay. I think till today till here it is enough, children. Yes. No need to go very fast. Okay. Then yes, today till here enough. We will end up. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye. Take